I'm here at the booth from Thomas, CICO, at the Enforce 25 in Nuremberg, and today we are speaking about his 3 products
Yes.
for taking care about firearms.
Yes.
So please tell us.
Yes. Thank you for visiting us. We have 3 products for gun care. It's gun cleaner with specialist. There is no ammonia acid, biological, and then we have gun spray, and we have the gun grease, and very special is that we have no mineral oil is inside.
Okay.
So the special is you don't have any oil bars in the weapon, and so when you shoot, there's no combination between the residue or the with the oil, and no combination with it. And so when you shoot, the weapon is always clean, and you can clean it very fast with the cleaner, and you don't need any special.
Yeah, because you covered it before. Yeah. Perfect.
Yes.
And important question for the guys. I see you now the second time.
Yes.
When did you found the company?
Our company was founded in 2009.
Okay, so a lot of experience now.
Yes, we have a lot of experience with lubricant. Our customers are in rail, in mountain
industry,
lifting, and in big industries, and there we solve problems.
So the product started from the industry, so very good to know. And which website? CICO
CICO
-trio. Trio with 3 O's, guys.
Yes, CICO-trio. You can see it.
Scan the QR code, and thank you so much for showing us from the show the products.
Thank you
so
guys.
much.
Thank you.